Hi, welcome to my channel, Senior Sue, Cacti and Succulents, and today I'm going to show you how to make a succulent Easter basket. The basket that I have here I picked up at a thrift store for around $4, and you see that I put some sheet moss in here, and now I'm adding some cactus and succulent soil mix to the basket. And the first item I'm going to put in here is some rubber and they can get really pretty, a red pinkish when they have been stressed. And I tried to pick out succulents that were, pastel or brightly colored, but sometimes that's not always easy to do. And here you can see I'm going to put a little something next to the plant to kind of brace it up so it doesn't flop over. Now I'm going to trim up the moss with a pair of scissors to make it look a little bit neater. You will notice here that I'm separating the succulent. This was pretty root bound, but don't worry, succulents are tough, so they can take this little bit of abuse. As long as you have a little bit of dirt left on there, it's fine, and actually even if you don't. So, if you receive some succulents in a pot and they're kind of root bound and you want to separate them all out, you can go ahead and do that. It's pretty easy. The rabbit I have here I also picked up at the thrift store, and I think I only paid a couple of dollars for that. So this is actually a relatively inexpensive arrangement to make. And if you have a garden full of succulents, you could just, cut them off, let the ends dry out a bit, and then just go ahead and plunk them right into the dirt. The plants that I have here are some cuttings, and they have already dried out, so all I need to do is just poke them into the soil. And if you get dirt on your succulents, you can just use either a small paintbrush or one of those little syringe things to blow air over the succulents to get the dirt off. And here I have glass beads that I'm just going to lay all around the soil so that you don't see the soil. Okay, so here's the finished product, and you can see that I use nowhere near the amount of plants that I have, but these will grow, and hopefully it will last until Easter, and then I will be planting them in the ground. So here is the Easter basket. And I'll probably, after about a week or so, water these just a little bit with a water bottle and put it, near or on each plant. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.